Hey everyone, it's Wednesday, so I am going to showcase an app for you. All right, so I'm in my Canva. I'm in my all apps. Just check in. You can go through here. There's all kinds of apps. Um, so I'm going to grab this one. It's called FontFrame. I've used it, love it. I used to have to do all kinds of work before this um, to get what this app does. We used to have to do letter frames. Oh, it was a lot. Okay, so I'm going to open this, and it says basically vibrant text with image backgrounds. Add an image to the background to your text. You can change the font, image placement, all that. So let's go ahead and go in. I'm going to use existing design because I already have it set up with some images, or you can use in a new design and will start you from the very beginning. All right, projects, and then yep, here we go. All right, just loading. I have images that I want to try out on my second page here. So we're just waiting for it to load onto the left hand side. Okay, here we go. FontFrame. Now I'll walk you through a couple things. You can look at app details, get help with this app, remove it, stuff like that with these three dots. This is their example. Let's go ahead and go through the settings, and let's pick a different font just to be different. Okay. And then I'll do it centered, and then I'll put a little bit more of the thickness, letter spacing, kind of like that, and then the line spacing. So, okay. And then I'm going to go back. And so you just adjusted how you want it. Okay. And let's see here. I'm going to select an image, and there we go. It was blurred out at first. Not blurred, it just wasn't clickable. And that's, but I have some images here that I want to try so I can show you the difference. Okay. So this is filled with all kinds of different colors. All right. So I chose I'm going to use the use selective, or you can just pick this and go to your hard drive. But I didn't want you guys to go through that. Okay, so I'm going to write welcome to, and I'm going to the next line by just pressing enter. Welcome to Canva Creations with Pam. Okay, so do I like that? I'm going to go back and do the line spacing a little bit more. There we go. Kind of like it better like that. Okay, do that. Use selected image. Okay, so it put this image in there. And then I can also move it around to even get better colors. There we go. So there's that. I like that. I'm trying this one. Oh, this one's nice. Okay, I like that too. All right, now we're going to do this one. This one has a lot of white. I don't know if this is going to work very well. Okay, so use. All right, so I mean, I can like maneuver it a little bit like that. The white still comes through, which is, perfectly fine. Okay, let's see here. I'm just going to go through these, see which one I like. Okay, I think we'll just go with that one. It's very vibrant. Um, Perfect. Okay. And then I'm going to add it to the design. All right, so take these all out. Actually, I'm going to hold on. Replace background. There we go. And then I can position it. Go center and middle. There we go. Now I feel like I should do the other one, but you get the gist. So there you go. This is how you use the FontFrame. Let's just take this background out. Welcome to Canva Creations. I can make it bigger. And then I will add to it. Okay, so there you go. Have fun. I would love to see what you guys create with this. It's called FontFrame, and yeah, enjoy.